Changes in word structures. So let's see that how the structure of the word changes with the passage of time. Complex words, once they are coined, may be subject to reanalysis and reduction. So we have seen a lot of words which are reduced with the passage of time, and we have also talked about the reanalysis of the words. In reanalysis, words receive a different structural interpretation. A classical example is the reinterpretation of the word hamburger. So we can now see that this word hamburger is so differently reinterpreted. This word derived from the base hamburger, noun hamburger, and denoting a specific kind of food originating from that city, received the following structural reanalysis. Hamburger, we know that ham and burger. Reanalysis can also be observed when the reanalysis structures serve as a model for new words. So we see that we have words newly coined: beef burger, cheeseburger, fish burger, etc. Similarly, we find words like turkey-furter on the model of frankfurter. So this is how we can say that words are reanalyzed. The piece burger itself has been made or reinterpreted as noun, whereas the brand name Burger King. So this is another reinterpretation of the word burger. So in fact, we cannot conclude that a new suffix burger has developed in English, because now it is used as a noun. Burger is a new noun denoting a particular kind of fast food and can be used as the head of a nominal compound, a noun compound. Semantic reinterpretation also takes place. It leads to new set of words. For example, this has been a case with gate, right? So there was a scandal in America. This is known as Watergate scandal, in which an apartment in a certain building of Washington D.C. was burglarized on the order of the then President Nixon. So from this was leaked, and then it became a scandal. So the morpheme gate received a new interpretation, that is a political scandal, thus leading to many new words such as Monica Gate and Iran Gate, etc. So the suffix gate was equivalent to a scandal. Reanalysis may also have the effect of a sequence of affixes becoming an affix, in which more than one affix become one affix. A morphological structure, that means X, any noun or any word, any lexical item, A, then it has added by another suffix B, can be reinterpreted by XAB. So this can be seen in Dutch language. For example, the Dutch suffix erige, originally a combination of the suffix er and age, and now with the base noun in noun age, back to bake, or baker, baker, and bakerage, bakery. So here we find that it has both the noun used as a single, both the suffix used as a single suffix. So this is a very common thing in languages. This phenomenon of two affixes becoming one is referred to as affix telescoping. Prefix may also lose their morphological status. So like suffix, prefix may also lose their morphological status. This is quite clear in English borrowing from Latin, such as abortion and adoption. So if we look at this word, these word ab and ad are two suffix, but with the passage of time they have lost their status of suffix. So prefixes ab and ad respectively have lost their status. So the simplifications of these words will be abortion and adoption respectively. So if we look at the syllables, the word abortion and adoption has three syllables, in which a has become a single syllable. So its second word ba is now attached to the other syllable. So this is how the prefix has lost its entity. The Dutch prefix ge is geloof, to believe, is no longer productive as a verbal prefix. In Afrikaans, the verb geloof has become simple verb glo with deletion of the schwa. So this is how we can say that how language changes differently, how there are certain processes which change the words into different, how different phrases become one word, and how suffixes become one single suffix and prefixes lose their entity.